Hello students, I welcome you all in my channel Mathematics Made Easy for class 11. This is our lecture number 8. The topic addition and subtraction formula of trigonometry. In the previous lesson we have discussed the applications of the allied angles like 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 90 minus 90 plus. Now we continue with another topic, that is addition and subtraction formula. I have first of all the list of the results before you. Please note down very carefully. To start with, I say for all values of A and B. For all values of A and B, number 1, sin A plus B. Addition. Sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Write down very comfortably, sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. साथ में याद भी करते जाओ. Number 2, cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. If it is plus here in cos, it will become cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Then the third is addition based, tangent A plus B. That is tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. Repeat, tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. Now the difference is A minus B, sin A minus B. It is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. As we have sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, here it is sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Similarly, cos A minus B. Here it was minus, it will become here plus. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Your only main work is try to remember it from day 1, from today onwards. Tangent A minus B. Tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Check up please. Tan A minus B. Tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Then we have sin square A minus sin square B. This is formula number 7. Sin square A minus sin square B. It is sin A plus B, sin A minus B. You want to verify, simplify the right hand side using the above results, you will get the left hand side. In terms of signs, sin square A minus sin square B, sin A plus B, sin A minus B. Similarly, if you have cos square A minus sin square B, it will be cos square A minus sin square B. This will be just equal to, it is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Check up please. That is, if it is cos square A minus sin square B, it will be cos A plus B cos A minus B. Then you have tan 45 plus theta. But the tan 45 plus A, this is 1 plus tan A over 1 minus tan A. You want to verify this, use tan A plus B. Tan 45, यहाँ पर देखो, tan 45 is 1. 1 plus tan A over 1 minus tan A. Here 45, tan 45 is 1. Apply here, you will get the same result. Similarly, if you want to put up in terms of radians, tan pi by 4 minus A, it will be 1 minus tan A over 1 plus tan A. This is 1 minus tan A over 1 plus tan A. Now these are the 10 results. Then you have in this case, this 11th case, in terms of cotangent, not so common, but still. Cos A plus B, cos A plus, cot A plus B. It is reciprocal of tan, but it is cot A plus B. Is cos A plus B over sin A plus B. Express the formula before this cos A plus B का वैल्यू पुटअप करो, sin A plus B का वैल्यू, and then divide the numerator here and denominator by sin A sin B. This I have written, divide the numerator, denominator by sin A sin B. It will be cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A. And then you have cot A minus B. It is cot A cot B plus 1 over cot B minus cot A. On the same pattern you can simplify this. Now these are the 12 results you try to remember when you study addition and subtraction formulas. Now for example, just a few simple cases. I say evaluate sine 75 degrees. We have done sine 50, 15, we have done sine 30, we have done like sine 90, 45. Now the problem is for sine 75. It is sine 45 plus 30. Now sine 45 plus 30 is, you know, sine 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sine 30. देखो cos 45 sin 30. This is sin of A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. It is sin 45 plus 30. We have to express in terms of two known angles like 45 and 30. And you put up the value here. This is sin 45 1 upon under root 2. Cos 30 under root of 3 by 2. 1 upon under root of 2, sin 30 is half. The value is under root 3 plus 1 over 2 under root of 2. That is the value. You are not supposed to remember it, simply you know how to find out the value. Sin 75. Similarly, cos 15. It is 45 minus 30. Cos 45 cos 30. Cos 45 cos 30 plus sin 45 sin 30. You substitute the values. This will be just equal to cos 45 1 upon under root 2 under root of 3 by 2 1 upon under root of 2 sin 30 is half. The value again is under root 3 plus 1 over 2 under root of 2. Of 60 plus 45, that will be equal to, you know, tan 60 plus tan 45 or tan 40 plus tan 45 plus tan 60 over 1 minus tan 45 tan 60. देखो tan 45 tan 60 degrees. It is 1 tan 45. It is 1 upon under root of 3 tan 60 under root of 3 plus 1 over 1 minus under root of 3. So इसको just you can rationalize it and simplify. Rationalize करो, get the value. Now we have another question like cos 11 plus sin 11 cos 11 minus sin 11. Now in such a question what we do is divide the numerator denominator by cos 11. देखो when I divide the numerator denominator by cos 11 it will be 1 plus tan 11 over 1 minus tan 11. And now the formula is before you, 1 plus tan A over 1 minus tan A, it is tan 45 plus A. Here it is tan 45 plus 11, this becomes tangent of 56 degrees. So you see these are some of the simple cases. Now before we go for the further advanced cases, first of all some more introductory problems. Now take up another question. It is a very important case, tangent of 13 pi by 12. A good question. Tangent 13 pi by 12. See, this will be, as I think, is tangent of pi plus pi by 12. Tangent of pi plus pi by 12. This will be just, tangent of 180 plus theta, third quadrant, tangent of pi by 12. On one side, it is 180 upon 12, that is round about 15 degrees. If we divide 180 by 12, we have just 15 degrees. So 15 degrees can be written as 45 minus 30. So in terms of, because I always keep the values in terms of pi, this will be tangent of pi by 4 minus pi by 6. The idea is from here. इसको roughly divide कर लो. 45 minus 30 मतलब pi by 4 minus pi by 6. And this will be just equal to 1 minus tangent pi by 6 over 1 plus tangent pi by 6. And that comes out to be 1 minus 1 upon under root of 3, 1 plus 1 upon under root of 3. Rationalize करो इसको. That is just under root of 3 minus 1, under root of 3 plus 1, and put up the value by just rationalizing it in this way. This, और इसको simplify कर लो, you will get the answer. Check out. It is tangent of 13 pi by 12. Another case, see, the question is now, given sin x is 3 by 5, cos y is minus 12 by 13, cos y is minus 12 by 13, and x comma y lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant. This is the question. He says, find the value of sin x plus y. Therefore, find sin x plus y. So what we do here in the solution, you take out two cases. Here we have x. This is OPM. In the second quadrant, this is corresponding to the x value. Then you have the second quadrant for the second angle. This, it is PM. Roughly you can draw the figure. It is a y, the second quadrant. Therefore, sin x is given to you as 3 by 5. 3 by 5. This is 5. This angle is x. And in the same second case, cos y minus 12 by 13. It is minus 12. It is in the second quadrant, minus 12. It is 13. Now calculate the third side using the Pythagoras. 25 minus 9, 16. Then you have in this case, देखें इसको, 25, check up, 25 minus 9, 16 plus minus 4. It is minus 4 because in the second quadrant. Now go to the second quadrant. It is in this case 169 minus 12, 144, 25, it is plus 5. Because MP or MP in this case is positive. Then you have the second quadrant. It is already given to you negative. Here it is plus minus of 9. But because in the second quadrant MP is positive, that's why. So drawing these two figures, let us calculate the value of sin x plus y. Sin x plus y, it is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Therefore, now sin x, of course it is given to you also 3 by 5. Cos y minus 12 by 13 plus cos x. Cos x cos x is minus 4 by 5 sin y. Sin y is like in this case we have 5 upon 13. So when you simplify, minus 36 minus 20 minus 56 upon 65. This is the answer, the value for sine of x plus y. I think it is okay. Then the next question I can add here. See please. Dekho. He says, prove that tangent of 50 degrees. A good question. Tangent of 50 is tangent of 40 degrees plus 2 tangent of 10 degrees. Tangent of 50 degrees is tangent of 40 degrees plus 2 tangent of 10 degrees. Now see, we say in the solution here, the system is that 50 degrees must be 40 plus 10. Keep those two angles which are given to us. Express the heaviest in terms of the other two angles. Therefore, tangent of 50 degrees is equal to tangent of 40 plus 10 degrees. ये देखो, tangent of 50 means tangent of 40 plus 10. Apply the formula. It is tangent of 40 plus tangent of 10 degrees over 1 minus tangent of 40 tangent of 10 degrees. See, this is tangent of 50 degrees. Tangent 50 is equal to this. And now cross multiply. Tangent of 50 minus tangent of 50 degrees, tangent of 40 degrees, tangent of 10 degrees is equal to tangent of 40 degrees plus tangent of 10 degrees. देखो, the formula once again I can repeat, that tangent of A plus B is. Now you see here, this term is not required in the answer. Here we don't, no need in this case, don't need here. We don't require the term tan 50, tan 40, tan 10. So what we do, it is tan 50 minus tan 90 minus 40. We want to eliminate this. Check out. And then you have tangent of 40, tangent of 10 degrees. देखो, this is equal to tan 40 plus tangent of 10 degrees. See, I have just applied here a step. Instead of 50 degrees, I say 90 minus 40. Tangent of this 90. So, or tangent of 50 minus cotangent of 40, tangent of 40, tangent of 10 is equal to tangent of 40 degrees plus tangent of 10 degrees. Now, tan into cot is 1. On one side you can say, because cot theta into tan theta is 1. As you know that cot is the reciprocal of tan. So, or tan 50 degrees. Tan 50 is, now transpose this on the right hand side, it is tan 40 plus 2 tangent of 10 degrees. Therefore, that means we have tan 50 degrees is equal to tan 40 plus 2 tangent of 10 degrees. A good question, no doubt. One more on the same pattern I can add here. This is cot 2 theta plus tan theta. देखो cot 2 theta plus tan theta is equal to cosecant of 2 theta. Yes. Now take up the solution of this. Left hand side, it is cos 2 theta upon sin 2 theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. Change it to sin and cos. This will be cos 2 theta cos theta plus sin 2 theta sin 2 theta sin theta upon, this is sin 2 theta cos theta. Then you take the LCM. Now see, it is the formula cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. देखो cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. It is cos of A minus B. It is 2 theta minus theta upon sin 2 theta cos theta. देखो, and simplify, it becomes just cos theta upon sin 2 theta cos theta. This cos theta will go, you have just 1 upon sin 2 theta, that is cosecant of 2 theta. This is the right hand side. Check out. Question. Again we consider as a very important question, cos 2 theta cos 2 phi plus cos square theta plus phi plus cos square theta minus phi is cos 2 theta plus 2 phi. Now for this case, left hand side, this is cos 2 theta cos 2 phi. Then we have plus 1 minus sin square of theta plus phi. देखो, note the step here, minus 1 minus sin square of theta minus phi, because you know cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square. This becomes equal to cos 2 theta cos 2 phi plus 1 minus sin square theta plus phi minus 1 plus sin square theta minus phi. देखो, now minus 1 with plus 1 will go, it is cos 2 theta cos 2 phi, minus you can take as common sin square of theta plus phi minus sin square of theta minus phi. The idea behind it is that because sin square A minus sin square B is sin A plus B into sin A minus B. So I want to apply this formula here. That's why I have expressed from cos square to in terms of sin squares. So this will be equal to cos 2 theta cos 2 phi minus, yes, it is A, this is B, sin square of theta plus phi, theta minus phi, it is sin of 2 theta. Then you have theta plus phi minus theta plus phi, sin of 2 phi. Therefore, apply the formula sin A plus B, sin A minus B. So this is a standard result, cos 2 theta plus 2 phi. A very important question that is on the right hand side given to us. We have to show that this problem. Take up one more. He says prove that tangent 69 degrees, tangent 66 degrees plus 1 is equal to tangent 69 plus tangent of 66 degrees. Therefore, we have to show that tan 69, tan 66 plus 1 is equal to this. The reason or the solution for this is that you suppose 69 plus 66. It is 69 plus 66 is 135. So I just say 135 degrees is equal to 69 degrees plus 66 degrees. Or if you take up a tangent of this, tangent 135 degrees is tangent of 69 degrees plus 66 degrees. Now tangent 135 degrees is minus 1. 180 minus 45 is tangent of 69 degrees plus tangent of 66 degrees over 1 minus tangent 69 tangent 66 degrees. Therefore, because tangent of 180 minus 45 is this. This implies minus 1 plus cross multiply tangent 69 tangent 66 is equal to tangent 69 plus tangent of 66 degrees. This we actually wanted to prove. In this case, there is some mistake in this. Okay. Please make this connection. It is tangent 69 plus tangent 66 minus 1. Here it is minus 1 plus this is equal to. Now you see, almost such type of questions are given in the book. You can complete. Just one or two numericals from allied angles are still before me that I would like to share with you in just 5 or 10 minutes. Just one or two questions. You can add these questions also. Find the values of theta. Find the values of theta 0 less than equal to theta less than equal to 2 pi, which satisfies the equation. Yes, it is a sine square theta is equal to 1 by 4. Now, if such type of question is given, how to solve? I am to find the values between 0 and 2 pi. I say sine theta is plus minus half in the solution. Two cases arise. First is sine theta is equal to half. Second is sine theta is equal to minus half. So it is sine 30. It is minus sine 30. Therefore, minus sine 30. Now sine 30. Sine theta is positive in the first, or here you can say sine 180 minus 30. Here it is minus sine 30. Is sine 180 plus 30 or sine 360 minus 30, the fourth quadrant. Because I am to find out the values between 0 and 2 pi. That is 0 less than equal to theta less than equal to 360 degrees. So theta becomes equal to 30 degrees, 150 degrees, then it is 210 degrees or 330 degrees. So in this way you can find out the 4 solutions if you come across with a problem of this nature. we are able to finalize majority of the problems of based on a plus b, a minus b. Next time we shall go for the applications of a, b and CD formula. See, if you have any type of problem or any question, you can go to the comment box and add your comments there. After checking those comments, I will give you the response in my next lecture. Thank you.